I am Namal Janat, and this is from Borishan. I'm now I am I will talk about nothing special, but my tendency of this that kind of videos. My tendency of this kind of videos are that I want to make my basic skill strong in English language, and basic skills strong means not that I will be fluent and 100% perfect in English. No, the basic skills meaning is not like that. I am making full of confidence in my mind, in my heart, and I think that day by day I am getting confident in myself, and this thinking is growing in me that yes, this is the English language is possible. This English language is possible for me, and one day I will be fluent in English. And uh, and if we want to if you want to improve in English, then you have to keep passion. We nothing no one no one thing we can nothing we can get overnight. We have to keep passion, and we have to wait, and we should be industrious, and we have to continue. We should work continuously, and we should read continuously if we want to be a good student, or uh, want to make our basic skill strong in any language, in any platform, whatever this is. And do you know that I always I try to give time when I get time. At the time I try to um, I try to study, or I try to read storybook, and now today I started reading Kishore classic books. And do you know that the mentor of our Rajiv Ahmed sir are Kishore classic books? He never got any mentor or guideline in his life, in his real life. So he said, respected Rajiv Ahmed sir said that his mentor was Kishore classic books. He all the time got inspiration from those books. And yes, it's true. Today I finished today I read two novel of Kishore classic books, and it was translated into Bengali. So the those story was named number one, Botul Shaitan, and second I finished Silas Marner. And Botul Shaitan was a very good story. And there I got a main character. Main character, his name is Kiwi, and the name of his heroine, heroine's wife is Kokua. And the main subject of that story was a bottle, and that was like magical bottle. And okay, and if you want to know the whole mysterious history of this book, you have to read full story of that books. And it was interesting. Not only it was interesting, the moral story of that novel is that we never should be greedy, and we should honest all the time. And this is so, honesty is the best policy, we all know that. And if we want to be lead we want to lead our life with honest way, we have to make our boss who is also an honest man. So I think that my guideline is Rajiv Ahmed sir. So he is an honest man. That's why I also want to lead my life with honest way. I never try to. I all the time, and I like the simple person. I like to lead my life with simplicity. I like to stay with simplicity, and this is, and over smart people is never over smart people is never can be good, and that's why I avoid that kind of people. I like to stay simple, and so my dream is one day I will be fluent in English. One day I will be an wise lady. So thank you so much. No more today. Basically, today I eaten a lot of. That's why I'm feeling sick. So okay, I will take a mug of coffee now. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.